Alright, today I'm installing a new package that I got a bee package from Mann Lake. They got new boxes they ship it in now. I kind of like these new plastic boxes, but let me show you here. There's the box right there. Pretty nice. I like these better than the wooden ones. But anyway, I'm gonna put this package into this old empty box I've got right here. So I'm going to make a video of it just to kind of maybe help somebody. Most of you it's not going to help any, but let's see if I can set my camera up here where you can see it pretty good. How's that? Alright. Now, it was a little bit confusing because I bought two packages and they come together. Kind of confusing to see how to get them apart. But what you do, if you got two packages, alright, sorry about that. What you do, if you got two of these boxes together, they slide sideways. It only slide one way. You take off that plastic strap and you slide it. That's how they come apart. So anyway, let's get to it here. You slide that forward and it comes off. Pull out their sugar water. Put it down in the hive because it's probably still going to have some sugar in it. Now the queen is on a little bitty strap right here that just hangs inside. We'll take her, pop the cap of it off right here. See the cap? Pop it off. That's all you got to do. Sometimes I like to take a little bit of this sugar plug that they put in there, take some of it out. Because the bees are they're already used to this queen because they've been in there for at least 3 or 4 days. Sometimes if you leave this plug in, I've had it take a week for the bees to eat through this plug. And I don't like that. So I take about half of it out. No more than half. There you go. See what you got there? Now I'll put her down in here. So the plug, so the food side is kind of up there, you know, like that. I'll squeeze her in right there just between them. There you go. The queen's set just right, just like I like it anyway. The package, I just turn it over and just shake them all in there. Don't get too rough with them. Go kind of easy. They're easy to get out of this plastic box. I don't know why, but they seem easier to get out with a plastic box than the wooden box. Alright, just a few left in there. What I do with it, I set it right here at the entrance. Push it right up against it and just let it sit there. That's it. All you gotta do. There's the package from Mann Lake, which is a great place, I want to tell you. I've been buying from Mann Lake for years and years. There's the queen right there. You got the entrance up. That way, if one of the bees inside with a queen die, they're not going to block the entrance, but you all know that. That's all just common stuff. But anyway, that's it. Now, here in about 2.5 months, if it's a good hive and a good queen, I'll split it and make another hive out of it. Just depends on how good it does. That's it. I just want to show everybody how I split a hive in Edmonton, Kentucky.